Hello dear followers. Today I thought I'd make a cake, a sweet cottage cheesecake. For this recipe for the crust we'll need 200 grams of flour, 5 eggs, 150 grams of chocolate. I have some chocolate chips. 150 grams of butter, 100 grams of sugar, a pinch of baking powder. And for the cheese filling, we'll need 300 grams of cottage cheese, 1 egg, 1 tablespoon of semolina, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and a vanilla essence. Now, let's start making the cake. I have put a small pot on the stove. Now we add the butter and let it melt. See, I've melted the butter. Now let's turn off the stove. We take the saucepan and add the chocolate chips, but after we take it off the stove, we melt the chocolate as the butter is hot. Now look how beautiful. Now we'll go to the next step. Now in a bowl, we'll beat the eggs. Those 5 eggs, we'll beat them whole. We'll beat those 5 whole eggs with the sugar. I've just finished incorporating all of the flour. Do you see? This is exactly how it should look. We'll set it aside for now. Next, we'll start preparing the sweet cottage cheese. To the cheese, we'll add 1 egg. We add the spoon of semolina, then a spoon of sugar, and the vanilla essence. We mix it all together until everything is incorporated. See, it's ready. Now we're going to pour them into the baking tray. I'll show you exactly how I pour them. Then we'll take them to the oven and that's it. I have here a recipe notebook so very old from my mother from right here. But now I can barely decipher them because it has yellowed so much over time since I take all my recipes from this book. Yes, they are very old, but they are very... These are old recipes and they are good. Okay, so here we go. I've taken out the baking tray, and I've lined it with parchment paper. I've carefully greased all the edges with just a little bit of oil. And now we're going to pour in the cake mixture. Half of this chocolate battered mixture, we pour in first, and then we carefully spread it out. Alright then, now we're going to go ahead and add in all of the cheese. We're putting the entire amount of cheese right in. This doesn't have to be uniform, so we'll stir it a bit more with the spoon so it looks nice when the cheese with this chocolate cream bakes. Alright, so now we're going to put it in the oven at 180 degrees Celsius for about 20-25 minutes, but to be absolutely certain, always do the toothpick test. Alright, our cake is ready. It has risen. Look how beautiful. I'll let it cool down a bit and then I'll cut it to show you. Okay, I've cut the cake now. On top you can sprinkle with a bit of powdered sugar. I'll sprinkle it a bit now for those who wish. This is optional, but I will sprinkle it. Well, this is our cake too. Until next time, I wish you good health and all the best. God bless everyone.